Are you sure this leads to the treasure, Johnny?
Positive, Kilroy.
Dead end?
We've trekked across all of Egypt, just for it to end here.
Now, we've come this far. There must be a way.
Come on, lad. This expedition's been a disaster from the beginning.
Aha! A secret passageway. That's what I was looking for. Onward! Oh, here we are. The prized jewel of Ramses.
By Jove!
It's incredible.
Johnny Thunder.
Baron von Barron?
If you chaps don't mind, I'll be taking that.
We were here first.
Gordon Bennett, the mummy of Ramses II.
Crikey! Looks like we've upset the Pharaoh.
It's his fault.
What do we do?
We should return the jewel before it's too late.
Yes, but we need both halves.
You're totally right. Hand it over so I can return it.
We can't trust him.
Pa, when has little old me ever been untrustworthy?
We don't have a choice.
Hate to leave the party so soon, but I'll be seeing you chaps.
Let's get out of here before he wakes up again.
I could have made a fortune with that treasure.
Some treasures are best left undisturbed.
Righto.